Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is October 20th, and we are going to take a look at the VIX, Dow Jones, S&P500, and Nasdaq. So let's start with the VIX. So VIX is down 0.78, 2.54%, closed at 29.98. The VIX is coming down also today, but we are now at our important support at 30. This is going to be important to see if we are going to come back up or if we are going to go through it and descend a little bit lower. In terms of stochastic, it's lower than 60. If we break 30, we should be continuing down a little bit. Let's take a look at Dow Jones. So Dow Jones is pulling back a little bit. As I mentioned, we went up for 4 days and now we are pulling back a little bit. And then we are going to be able to trace our official upward channel. So this is still in place. So we have been down for 2 consecutive days. Stochastic is still above 60. So this means that this move down does not change the force of the trend. The force is still there. This is why I think we should be recovering very soon. I don't know when exactly, but we should be recovering soon. Let's look at the S&P 500. S&P 500 is also coming back down a little bit. It's still above support at 36.44. And stochastic is getting closer to 60. So it would be great if all of the indices get stochastic over 60 at the same time so that we have a concerted move and not just Dow Jones that is moving up. Let's look at Nasdaq. Pretty much the same thing, still above support at 10.534. Stochastic is inching up, even though we are down a little bit because we went a little bit higher today than we were yesterday. So then stochastic counted that as a positive sign. So stochastic is also getting closer to 60. So let's see what tomorrow entails. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.